He is the owner of Ideal Furniture, and on the first ball, there's a confusion. Mr. Anand. So what a start of the game. Blue Gladiators got the breakthrough on the first ball. He bowled Mr. Javed. And now next player is coming to take the strike, Mr. Mithun. He is our sponsor of sixes. And he's a sponsor of sixes and he does six. So it's a MKG sixer. Great job. And the white ball. Oh! I think one more wicket gone. Mr. Mithun is coming to the pavilion after hitting a six on the second ball. He got out. And Ashish did a very good job. He took a very important catch of the match. And now we have Kruti on the strike. Mr. Anand on the non-strike end. 2 wickets in 3 balls. What a start for Blue Gladiators. Now the team Fire Riders needs a big partnership. And it's, oh! It can be a catch, but nice fielding. Ashok is rocking with his bowling. Oh, ho, 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 ho. It's a, what is it? Wait. Stumped. Again, Ashish is on fire behind the stumps. And now, it's an over hat trick for Ashok. What a brilliant start. We should clap for him at least. Come on. All of you please clap for Mr. Ashok. He took a hat trick. Over hat trick. So 3 wickets gone. So now Blue Gladiator decided to take the test in this last match. So now the owner of team Fire Riders is on the strike and a no ball. Mr. Amit did a no ball. What a nice shot and very excellent fielding by the captain of Blue Gladiators. He's our wicket sponsor as well, CKNA, Mr. Chinmay Khatri. So now a very big responsibility on both the batsmen. A very experienced, a very talented batsman are on the strike on the field now. Bro. Okay, so this is the 5th ball of the 2nd over. So now, Mr. Keyur opened his account. 12 runs, 3 wickets. Now 13 runs. 13 runs for 3 wickets in 2 overs. What a brilliant start Blue Gladiators got. In the first over, Ashok took a over hat-trick. Okay, now so, oh, catch dropped. So now, Team Fire Riders needs a luck, needs a very good partnership. And what a amazing shot. Batsman used footwork, but the result is same. Runs are not coming. Runs are not coming, so single run. So now Mr. Kaur on the strike. What a great shot! And again, MKG sixer. He's a very talented player. One more full toss, and the result is same. One more MKG sixer. So now after 3 overs, team score is 27 for 3. Bala. 13 balls, 20 runs. Full toss ball. Now on bowling, Sujata is here on the bowling mark. And one more. MKG 6-0. So now Mr. Anand is on the strike. Single run. Now the team is getting runs. And one more, MKG 6-0. We don't hit fours, we only hit sixes. And this time, after my call, Kaur sir has hit 4 runs. It's a pinnacle 4. Excellent shot, excellent fielding by the captain of the team. So after 4 overs, the team score is 45 for 3. Two experienced and talented players on the team, on the field now. We have Mr. Anand on the strike and Mr. Kaur on the non-strike. And again, Nilesh is on bowl, on the bowling mark. Number 5. What a run. This is an extra run, leg by. Signal by umpire. Okay. No ball. I think the team will get a free hit. Team should take the benefit of this. Edge. So now 50 completes for the team in 4.3 overs. Oh, it's a huge no. They're safe. Anand sir is safe now. One more run added in the total. And what an exciting shot. Rocket shot, we can say. Pinnacle force, right. Pinnacle 4. So now, again, Mr. K on strike. And after fifth over, the team total is 61. It's a very good total. After 5 overs, 3 wickets gone. Partnership, 26 ball, 54 runs in 26 balls. This Jodi is showing the experience. Experience always matters. And only single run. So now Mr. Keir is ready to face the second ball of the 6th over. They're trying to hit big runs. And now Mr. Anand on strike. He is the owner of the team Fire Riders. What a shot! Oh, what a shot, I think. It's Pinnacle 4. Misfielding, and then the team got the 4 runs. Blue Gladiator showing the discipline. They doesn't want to lose runs. And now we have Mr. Amit on the bowling mark. And Mr. Keir is ready to face the ball. Again, he tried to hit a boundary, but still they will get only single run. So this is the last ball. And MKG sixer. This time, again, Mr. Anand hit us 6 runs. Dola. Okay, now, so after 6 over, the team total is 75 runs. Wickets की पतझड़ रुक गई है because we have a very experienced Jodi on the strike and on non-strike. This is the qualifying match. So you have to be very disciplined, determined. You cannot drop the catches. So again we have Mr. Keir on the strike. He's our trophy sponsor. And he's the owner of Aerotech Engineers. Okay, one more MKG sixer by Mr. Keir. Agadi to main chalun bichhadi. Okay, so I think single run. And we have We have Ashok on the bowling mark. And the no ball. Umpire calls no ball and Pinnacle 4. Runs are coming very easily. And one more 6. MKG sixer by the owner of the team, Mr. Anand. And one more MKG sixer. Now the bowling team is under pressure. This experienced Jodi pushed them in the pressure. They are hitting, they are going for the 6s, for the 4s, but now this time they will get only single run. And 100 runs. They achieved 100 runs. Excellent fielding, excellent shot. No ball. It's a no ball. And now it's free hit. Oh, so one more on the free hit. MKG sixer by Mr. Anand. Mujhe pehchano. You should play the Anand movie song. And the partnership, 101 runs. 101 runs in only 40 balls. Come on, all of you, make some noise. What a partnership, this team needed at any cost, and they made it. Okay, what a catch. What a catch by Ashok. And now, a very experienced player, after hitting lots of 6s, going to the pavilion. Come on, guys, can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Keyur? Now the bowler is this is the 6th match and the last qualifying match of Excellence Champions Trophy. So now we have Mr. Sunil on non-strike. Okay, what a great fielding. Amazing effort by Monish. Come on, the batsmen want to go for the 2, but they will get only one single run. Again, we have a very experienced Jodi on the ground. They have a fielding team. Is very confused now, I think. And the last ball of this inning, come on. Again, white ball. What a run. They stole the run. And the last ball of the inning. Okay, now, after getting setbacks, Team Strength scored lots of runs, 114 runs in 8 overs for 4 wickets. Okay, now, so now Team Fire Riders set the target of 115. They scored 114 runs in 8 overs. If Blue Gladiators wants to win this match, they have to hit 115 runs in 8 overs in 48 balls. Okay, Mr. Anand sir. Anand sir made us half century.
Chinmay, it is 7 overs. There is some calculation mistake, but 7 overs. But you have to win. If you are not winning the game, then you are out of the finals.
I think he already calculated.
अभी कैलकुलेशन बैठेगा अभी पर अभी अप्रोक्सीमेट 7 ओवर्स आ रहा है अप्रोक्सीमेट
एक आध दो बॉल प्लस माइनस होगा
AK and KP both played really well. Chinmay is playing and non-striker and who's coming? Ashish Sharma.
So now the captain is on the strike. He's taken the responsibility to win this match. This is the do and die situation for both the teams. So we have
Wait.
Mr. Ashish Sharma on the second end. Wait for a while.
Please wait for 5 minutes. We are just calculating exact figures if at all it is coming. कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा ना तो तुम लोग इन लोग को एग्जैक्ट मालूम पड़ेगा कौन से रन रेट में उनको खेलना है अगर इन लोग हार गए तो दे आर आउट एज इट इज अगर ये जीत जाते हैं तो हाँ
So this is the do and die match for both the teams.
It will take little 5 minutes.
Umpire is coming to me.
We'll wait for the final calculations. कैलकुलेशन चालू है उनको, मैंने बोला फाइनल कैलकुलेशन करके दे मेरे को। उन लोगों को खेलने से पहले मालूम होना चाहिए ना क्या। हाँ, उन लोग खाली खाली प्रेशर में नहीं खेलना भाई।
7.3
भाई 7.3 कंफर्म है।
छोड़ दो हाँ
Okay. Chinmay 7.3. 7.3 is the over that you need runs if you want to win this game. This is the do or die situation for Blue Gladiators. I think Chinmay has played very brilliant inning in this entire tournament, and lot of things are people are banking on him.
So now he has a big responsibility on his shoulders.
Yes.
This is a do and die situation.
Anand
Do and die
Kolwankar.
match.
Anand Kolwankar is
And we
bowling.
have
And it's wide.
the first ball of the inning. Wide. Extra run.
Superb ball. Superb.
Okay, wow.
Superb run.
No ball.
It's a no ball and a
MKG
six.
sixer.
So it's 7 runs from 1 ball. Sorry, 0 ball.
And one more.
Brilliant. One more 6.
One more MKG sixer. The captain decided
It's no ball.
to
Again,
win
free
the
hit.
match.
Free hit.
One ball, 15 runs. Oh! One more.
One more.
Pinnacle
no
4.
ball. Pinnacle 4. And it was a no ball. Again, a free hit.
No ball.
And it's
What a shot!
Chinmay is on fire.
Amazing. He's going to win this match in 3 overs.
Wide ball again.
In
I
2
don't
balls.
believe this. In just 3 balls, 27 runs.
And
Another
one
sixer.
more MKG sixer.
Brilliant. MKG sixer.
3 balls, 33 runs.
3
What a start. Blue
Brilliant
Gladiators
start.
got in this
Brilliant
match.
start by the captain. Brilliant bowling. Anand Kolwankar.
Nice comeback.
It's again a no ball signal. It's a no ball free hit.
Again, no ball. Okay, one
Six.
more.
One
MKG
more six.
sixer.
MKG sixer. अरे ये no
Mr.
ball.
Mithun is very happy.
This was a brilliant over for Blue
now-
Gladiators. 1 or 40 runs. What an over.
So they are playing with a positive approach. They are showing the positive attitude.
Now Keyur Parekh is bowling. Mr. KP.
I can't believe this in 1 over 40 runs. So now Mr. Sharma on the strike.
आशीष ने
Again.
पुश कर दिया है और 1 रन के लिए चिन्मय इज अगेन ऑन स्ट्राइक. And KP is bowling.
If Team Fire Riders wants to win this match, they need to stop Chinmay, the captain of the team.
And
the
it's
one-
wide.
White ball.
Well left by Chinmay. And shot.
What a shot!
Oh, it missed. KP missed the catch. It can turn the match.
One more
One
MKG
more
sixer.
6 from a
And a
captain.
no ball as well. So 7 runs. in one
Superb
ball.
inning, superb inning. Catches, wins, matches. Another 6. Brilliant batting.
I think Chinmay wants to decide it. He wants to.
55 runs.
सुनील भाई एक टेबल दूं क्या अंदर
finish the match as. And now
Single run,
single run.
one run.
After 2 overs, the score is 56 runs.
56 runs. Awesome batsman. Awesome.
How many sixes?
Chinmay is on fire. He has decided to win.
6 sixes. Okay.
He just plays the ball straight
Chinmay
to the
hit
fielder.
6 sixes in 2 overs.
No run from this ball. Sunil Rungta is bowling. And it's wide ball. Umpire ka ishara.
It's a big wide.
And it's
Okay,
six.
so one more. MKG 6-0.
The ball passed through Javed Ali, but he
And
could not catch.
captain is
And
on
it was
fire.
Six. So sixes are raining here.
This is the 7th 6 of Chinmay's inning. Amazing
Very well
effort,
fielded.
amazing fielding by
Superb.
Dr.
Sunil
Omkar.
Rungta and Ayush Soul, Omkar Bilgi, both fielded very well. Superb.
again.
Tried catches, wins matches. Again a drop. Ayush Soul, Omkar Bilgi dropped the catch, but well tried. Very well tried. चिन्मय को जीवत दान मिल गया. 2 कैचेस छोड़े गए चिन्मय का. ये इनको बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्टली पड़
So
सकता है.
now Team Fire Riders is under pressure.
जावेद अली इज इंजर्ड आई सपोज. सर पे लग गया है उनको. डॉक्टर की जरूरत.
₹64 runs partnership with only 22 balls. And the contribution 54 runs.
जावेद अली इज इंजर्ड.
Chinmay made 54 runs.
उनके बदले में कार्तिक आए हैं. आशीष ऑन स्ट्राइक. सुनील रुंगटा इज बॉलिंग. Chinmay has given a brilliant start to the team. Sunil Rungta. Ashish missed the ball. आशीष थोड़ा ऑर्थोडॉक्स खेलते हैं, isn't it? वो थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा खेलते हैं, ऑर्थोडॉक्स प्लेयर हैं. Try to push the ball here and there.
So after 3 overs,
शर्मा जी हमारे
the team score is 64 runs.
64 runs in just 3 overs. A brilliant score right now. Blue Gladiators must be very, very happy with the score. And then now the lady bowler, Kruti,
So we have Kruti.
and it's
Again,
wide. Wide ka
wide.
ishara. And tried to hit, but it's no run. Fielded by KP. And it's
I think
6.
one more.
It's 6.
MGK 6-0. Again,
Chinmay is just
this is the
brilliant today.
this is the 8th.
Oh!
This is the 8th 6
The,
of
it
Chinmay.
was
inning.
wide ball, but Chinmay was lucky. The ball was inside from the leg side. Again missed the 6. No runs. Kruti to Chinmay. Chinmay is trying to hit as many as 6s as he can hit.
So
And
one-
it's 6. Full toss
one
ball.
more. Full toss ball.
Full toss ball and 6. SKG 6er. MKG.
MKG. And nice fielding, nice coordination.
And another run. No. There's a confusion
There
there.
is no run
Yes.
out.
So 1 run. Batsman tried to take 2. Fielded by Sunil Rungta and thrown well. Again Ashish. Kruti to Ashish. ठोक दिया उन्होंने. मेरी बात ज़्यादा सीरियसली ले लिए. He is not orthodox batsman.
So now the batting team is on the driving seat and the bowling team is under pressure.
Sunil Rungta again to Ashish. He pushed and it was one
They
run chance
are-
of run out, but Chinmay was well inside. Sunil Rungta to Chinmay. One run last ball.
Captain is on fire.
Oh, missed the catch of Captain Chinmay. Jayesh missed the catch. Catches wins matches.
There was a turn in the ball, but player dropped the
Ashish
ball.
again. Sunil Rungta to Ashish. And he pushed the ball for one run.
Okay, now so Chinmay is on a strike. He's on fire. He's hitting sixes. He believes in sixes. Hit 9 sixes in his innings. So now Ashish on a strike. What a coordination. Ashish is taking singles. Chinmay is hitting sixes, fours. Okay,
Again a miss. It was chance of run out.
so after 5 overs, the team total is
86.
86 runs.
Brilliant total. Brilliant batsman. Mr. Chinmay Khatri. Awesome batting.
29 runs needed in only 18 balls. Only 29 runs needed in 18 balls.
They have to finish this in only. कितने बॉल में करना है? 7.3. 2.3 overs.
Strike rate 259.
And it's catch. Finally they took a
This-
catch of Chinmay Khatri.
So finally,
And Aditya Patodia took a catch.
जिस ब्रेक थ्रू की जरूरत थी वो मिल चुका है. Right,
Now-
it's a huge loss for the batting team.
कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
So we have one more sixer king on the strike.
Amit Solanki is on strike. KP is bowling. Last ball there was a wicket.
What a
And it's-
goalie shot!
Bullet shot. It's straight to 4. Sunil Rungta could not
It's pinnacle 4.
catch that ball. It was a pinnacle 4. A
One
shot.
more amazing
Misfielding
shot.
again, but yes,
Excellent fielding.
one run only. Ashish Sharma again on strike. KP is bowling. Two ball to go. The score is 91 for 1. It's 5.4 overs.
Mr. Keyur is showing this experience in
And
bowling as
again,
well.
And it's 4
And
runs.
it's pinnacle
It was a ground
chopper.
shot. It was a ground shot.
What a
Superb
great
shot
shot.
by Ashish. दो फील्डर उसको रोक नहीं पाए.
So now the team needs some big hits from Ashish.
Again a ground shot. I think it's 1 run only. And it's a chance of run out. And it's run out. I think that this run
out.
was not needed actually, isn't it?
No.
It's an unnecessary run.
They was in a hurry.
Yes. There was no need of this run. अगर अमित रुक जाता वहां पे तो शायद और 2-3 छक्के लगा देता. अमित को बॉल बराबर दिख रही थी आज,
Right.
हाइट से भी दिख रही थी. हाँ लग गई. हाँ वो गिर गया ना. अमित इज ऑल्सो इंजर्ड. आप टेंशन को फील कर सकते हो ग्राउंड पे. ऑल द बैट्समैन, all the fielders, as well as the spectators. It's a nail-biting game, I suppose.
This is the qualifying match.
Yes, it
Do
is a
and die
qualifying.
situation for both the teams.
अभी कितना खाली 9 बॉल से 9 बॉल में कितना है? अमृता.
So now we have Amrit on a strike.
They have only 9 balls to win this game. 9 balls, 20 runs now. One run. Amruta just touched the ball. Ashish on strike.
So now
Lot of things depends on Ashish now.
Mr. Sharma is on strike. The team needs big hits from you.
और ये ठोक
And he
दिया
hit
है.
it.
पर नहीं, एक ही रन.
Okay.
And Amruta is out.
So Amrita
Amruta is out, I suppose.
got run out. So we have the
अमृता का
wicket
आउट दे दिया गया
sponsor.
एम्पायर ने. नाउ आशीष ऑन नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड मोनिश इज अ न्यू बैट्समैन. ही इज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड बैट्समैन.
So we have the t-shirt sponsor, Mehta Properties, Mr. Paresh Mehta.
मिथुन बद्री जादू मोनिश शाह. और
Again,
ये शॉट मारने की कोशिश, लेकिन एक ही रन मिलेगा उनको. आशीष शर्मा जी अगेन ऑन स्ट्राइक.
again, this is the 50-50 match for both the teams.
यस.
Ashish is playing
Again a
very
ground
hard.
shot. Again
Try
a ground
to-
shot. Giving strike to Monish. 6.4 overs, 99 runs. They need 17 runs to win. There's a one cheeky run.
Amazing
Miss
shot.
fielding, amazing shot.
Good fielding.
Ashish on strike.
And now more 16 runs to win.
Yes. And Ashish on strike. Good shot.
Okay,
And it's
what a
six.
six. Finally,
It's a misfielding by Sunil Rungta, and it's 6. It can be a costly affair.
this is MKG sixer by Mr. Sharma.
अगर एवरेज देखा जाए, अगर इनको जीतना है तो 3 बॉल में 9 रन चाहिए इनको. 3 balls 9 runs. I hope Monish is listening to me. 3 balls 9 runs.
It is a very interesting match. If the Blue Gladiators wants to qualify for the finals, they need to hit 9 runs in 3 balls. I think they can win the match easily, but if they want to qualify for the finals, they need to hit 9 runs in 3 balls.
You can see the tension on the field. सारी की सारी जनता जो यहाँ बैठ के देख रही है वो भी टेंशन में है. इट्स अ नेल बाइटिंग मैच. हाँ, कुछ लोग डेटॉल भी मल रहे हैं मेरे आजू बाजू में आके. एंड इट्स बोल्ड. एंड इट्स बोल्ड.
Bowled it.
Monish is out. Monish is out.
अच्छा एक बार नीलेश को रोके नीलेश दो बॉल में 9 चाहिए अशोक भाई.
So at the right time, Team Fire Arrows got the wicket of Monish.
ये बॉल के बीच में नहीं अलाउड है.
मतलब पोल के ऊपर खड़ा रहेगा तो वरना नहीं पोल के
हाँ, बॉल के बीच में आया तो नो बॉल है.
कोई नहीं ठीक है. अभी
अभी तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, तभी करना चाहिए. मैं सुबह से कितने प्लेयर को
So we have the new player on the strike, Ashok,
अशोक केवट
who has taken
2
the hat
बॉल
trick.
9 रन और ये टोका है पर नहीं, एक ही रन। सुनील रुंगटा नहीं, ये थे हमारे एके, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं। आशीष ऑन स्ट्राइक
The team needs a hit.
और ये एक ही रन। वेरी वेल फील्डेड बाय सुनील रुंगटा। काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन क्रिकेट का। 3 बॉल 7 रन टू विन।
One more good shot.
Again, a 1 run only. They need a big hit now to win this game. I don't know whether they'll go in a final, but to win this game, dead ball.
So now
2 balls, 7 runs. और आशीष ने आगे आके मारा लेकिन मार नहीं पाए।
and finally
आगे सुनील रुंगटा के हाथ में बॉल, आदित्य पटाडा को देते हुए। लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग,
and 6 runs needed.
6 runs needed. और ये मार दिया है लेकिन नहीं।
Okay, now
मिथुन
so
बद्रीशा ने कोई मिस्टेक नहीं
Team
की।
Fire Riders won this game.
Yes, they are in
And-
finals now.
They qualified for the finals.
Finals will be between the team Fire Riders and Ishania Vastu. Ishania Warriors.
Shania Warriors. Pinks versus yellow. So we have the final game, final match of Excellence Champions Trophy between two teams. Two teams are going to compete with each other. Team Fire Riders So both the teams. The final between two super talented teams who qualified for the finals, Rishania Warriors and Fire Riders.